It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek, and I'm here at Konbea. It's a conveyor belt sushi restaurant in Chinatown. So let's see what there is to eat. So here's how it works at Konbea Belt Sushi. Lunch is $21.99, dinner is $25.99, and at $6 extra for the all-you-can-eat Dungeness crab, if you're in the mood for that. But there is plenty to eat just for the regular lunch or dinner price. Of course, $6 isn't bad for all-you-can-eat Dungeness crab as well. But there's so much to eat here on the menu already as it is. I mean, there's even chicken teriyaki, beef teriyaki, chicken katsu, lots of hot food, which is good because I think I've become a hot seafood lover. I used to say I didn't even like seafood that much, but I think I just don't like too much cold seafood. So the sushi you see here on the conveyor belt, this is just a small portion of what you can order here on the all-you-can-eat menu. In fact, I was just told that these items here on the conveyor belt have a sensor, and if they're here longer than 30 minutes, they're taken away and replaced. That's how fresh the food is here. So we're gonna order the Convey Roll. This is the signature roll of Konbea Belt Sushi. We just put in the order, and let's see how long it takes. And our first order is here already. It's the Convey Roll. You just pick it up, it's delivered straight to your table. And look at that, we're ready to eat. Here it is, the Convey. Oh, look, we have another thing here already. Let's get that. This is some of the hot food coming here. Steaming hot, freshly prepared. All right, we got a feast going already. Now this is the Convey Roll. It's got spicy crab, shrimp tempura, and cucumber inside. And it's got spicy crab, shrimp, avocado, tempura crunch sauce on the top, with a spicy mayo and eel sauce on the side. This is the soft shell crab. Look at that. That's a pretty tasty looking piece of soft shell crab. And these are takoyaki. I like to call them octopus donuts. There's octopus inside. And just like that, here is our tonkatsu. That's some good looking fried chicken. They really have it all here. I can't believe it, and it comes super fast. All right, let's see how everything tastes. Oh yes, a fork, please. Thank you. Service is great here too. They're always anticipating your needs. All right, let's try this Konbea sushi. That's pretty good. Awesome. Thank you very much. All right, we got the dipping sauce. I really want to try is the hot food. Let's try the tonkatsu. It's fried chicken. Now let's try the octopus balls. Look at that, there's a little piece of octopus. Look at that. Just crispy rice with tuna on top. Alright, let's just try that, because it's here. Look at that, it's like a sweet sauce. That's good, a real crispy rice. It's hot. It's a little bit of cold tuna on top. And it's something else. It's coming so fast. Look at those shrimp. I don't even know how to eat this because do I eat the shell? It's so delicate actually. Look at that. I guess. Definitely eat the shell. That's so crispy and it's nice and hot. And it's juicy too. It's got little legs on it. How about this soft shell crab? Look at that. I'm a big crab fan. I guess I'm supposed to eat it like this too. That's pretty good. Maybe I just like hot crab. Next, they have skewers, bacon and scallop skewers, shrimp and garlic skewers. They got agarashi tofu. All right, I'm gonna order it all. All right, I gotta grab something off this conveyor belt. How about this egg? And some eel. That's eel. Comes with eel sauce. That's eel, all right. It's all about the sauce. And one of my favorite sushis, egg. It's always good. All right, while we're waiting for more food, let's put some sauce on this tonkatsu. Sauce is one of the best parts of eating at all-you-can-eat sushi. Especially when there's all sorts of stuff you can order besides just sushi. Like fried chicken. They have something called Japanese lasagna. That's a baked roll with crab, avocado, cream cheese, with tempura crunch, dynamite sauce, and eel sauce. They have a Silver State roll. That's a pricier roll if you order it just as is, $13.95. That's even got lobster, super white tuna, dynamite sauce. And look at that, there's a salmon skin salad right here ready for us to eat. Just like that, salmon skin on a salad. Look at that. That's a salad. Look how much meat is on there. It's not just skin, but there's actually meat, salmon meat. That's a meaty salad. And here's another order. Look at that. This stuff is coming fast and furious. Look at this. These are the skewers. Shrimp and bacon wrapped scallop. Eating skewers can be dangerous. Let me try it this way. Already tastes good. Nice grill flavor. And it keeps on coming. And just like that, here's our agadashi tofu. See that? This is what, deep fried, but lightly fried tofu. And a little sweet sauce. I think it's like a dashi sauce. That's why it's agadashi tofu. Fried dashi tofu. That's hot. And there is still more to order. They even have a sliced steak with garlic sauce. But there's a note here. Must be ordered medium to medium rare. And I like my steaks medium well, at least. So they do have salmon steak, yellowtail steak. Those are one order each. So only up to one per person. Might have to get that. That's scallop bacon. Hard to go wrong with bacon.
Please collect your food. Thank you. Please collect your food. Thank you. Please collect your food.
And just like that, here's the Silver State roll. That one took a little extra time because it has to bake. That's how fancy it is. So this is a good looking roll. Let me tell you what's in it. Inside there's crab, avocado, asparagus, yamagobo, and cream cheese. And on the outside, on the top, it's lobster, super white tuna, masago, and it's baked with a dynamite sauce with some eel sauce and spicy mayo over the top. That is a fancy sushi roll. I don't even think I've had a piece of sushi with cream cheese in it. That's how fancy this is. Creamy. And the hits never stop here at Konbea Belt Sushi. Oh yeah, that's the yellowtail. And this, oh, it's the short ribs, Korean ribs. They even have Korean ribs. I gotta start with these ribs. It just smells like fresh grilled. It tastes fresh grilled. And here's the yellowtail steak. This is one of the items you can only order one per person. So this must be pretty good. It's pretty good. It's a little dry, but has a nice grill flavor. Now I'm excited. We got our Scallop Dynamite. This is like a casserole dish. And there's scallops and mushrooms with cheese on top. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Dynamite. And the all-you-can-eat price includes dessert. You get to choose one of these 4 items. I decided to go for the frozen red bean cake with mochi because this looks like one of the most Japanese things I can order here, even though it's all written in Korean. Look at that. It's like a big cookie. The ice cream inside. And full of red beans, just like the picture. You can also get ice cream. Let's take a look at the green tea ice cream. Look at that. So Konbea Belt Sushi, well, it's a pretty fun place to eat. You can order anything off the conveyor belt right here, and it's just ready for you. Right as soon as you get seated, you can just start grabbing stuff off the belt. You can order stuff off of this menu as well, and that comes pretty fast too. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Konbea Belt Sushi. That's Conveyor Belt Sushi. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can make us.